Okay.
What?
Never mind.
Hello, my name is
Brianna.
My name is
My name is
my name
my name.
my name
My name is Kay,
my name is Brianna,
and I'm Kay,
my
and together.
abbreviation is BB,
And I'm Kay, and together we're Burger King.
No.
Mhm.
Okay, whatever.
We're Burger King.
I don't like you today.
We're gonna be a hamburger. We're gonna make hamburgers.
No, we're not.
Okay. We're gonna react to a video called
What if animals were round?
"What If Animals Were Round." Aren't you curious? No, not really. I never thought about that either. Okay, but it's okay. Didn't you ever wonder what would happen if Brownie was round? Like, it just came up in my mind.
Just play the video.
I just all of a sudden, just poof.
Are you serious? Yeah, they wouldn't be able to do anything.
Cows are already kind of round.
No, they're square. Okay.
They're still rolling around in there.
Somebody help the poor animal. Seriously?
No. This is more of like if they were rubber. Are these supposed to be seals fighting each other?
Yeah,
Pigs
they're
are already
already
round.
fat. That's if they were balloons.
Another one. Look at that. That was funny. It's still going. It's not over. Well,
That was weird. Animals. Some of those animals were already round, but
yeah, like pigs.
you get the idea.
Yeah.
That's offensive.
But this was more like if they were rubber. Because why would they be bouncing? I mean, if you're round, it's like we got fat cats that look like that. You know, fat cats, they're already kind of round.
No, they're pillows.
They're round.
They're pillows.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that reaction. Tell us what you want to react to next. We're looking for suggestions. No, I'm not. How dare you? Why would you say? I mean, you hurt my feelings.
I'm kidding.
No. Okay, so thank you for watching. We want you to have a wonderful, great, and glorious day. Breathe! And I will see you guys in the next video. Okay? Okay? What are you going to say? You're not going to say anything?
Goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Peace out. That's what she said.
Yeah. Bye. Go away now. Leave.